Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a canvas embroidery of my friend's dog today. His name is Rocket, and he is the cutest little guy you ever seen. I'm going to start by painting white acrylic paint onto the canvas. It helps the other colors not absorb into the canvas as much. It actually saves me money. But before I start the embroidery part, I want to paint a nice background for it. So I took time to tape off the pattern and get the canvas ready. And since one of my friend's favorite colors is yellow, that was the obvious choice. I was very careful to take the tape off at the end of the painting process. But I still needed to clean up the edges a bit. And here I got so into the embroidery process that I forgot to take pictures of poking the holes. Sorry, newbie mistake. It took a while to finish all the stitching, but I really like the final product. I really hope my friend likes it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for coming by.